Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to transfer money from Desjardins to Wise account. So friends, if you want to transfer your money, follow me in this video. Go to your Desjardins accounts, log in and access your accounts with your username and password. When you access your account, you will see your dashboard here. All you have to do, choose a transfer option or transaction. When you click a transaction, choose a transfer. This is for international transfer. Choose international transfer. From here, go to transaction and choose a transfer national. Write your amount you want to transfer. Choose your main accounts here, as you can see here, friends. Choose your main accounts. Write your Wise details. For example, your Wise details, such your IBAN and your all details. And then when you write your IBAN, copy and paste here. After that, click OK. So friends, as I say, go to transfer and then look for a transfer from here. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this